So now let's discuss the IPMAT DILR previous year question of 2025. So this year there was an interesting thing that has happened in IPMAT Indore. There was two sets of LR and DI. One was in short math. So there were three questions of LR based puzzle in short math, and there were five questions of data interpretation in MCQ. So you can say the weightage of LRDI part has increased in last year IPMAT IM Indore paper. So I think if you're a non-commerce student, that is great news for you. So keep practicing that. So let's look at this set that has come in the last year paper. Five teams A, B, C, D, and E, each consisting of 15 members. So every team has 15 members, are going on expedition to five different locations. So they are going to five different locations. Each team include member from three different skills. So each team has certain member, some biologists, geologists, and explorers. However, the number of members from each skill set varies by team. So in every team, these numbers are not fixed. Like you can't have five biologists in all the team. This number is going to vary. Okay. And each member has only one speciality. So every person that is part of team has only one specialities. The total number of biologists, geologists, explorers are equal. So total. So you can say if there are five teams and every team has 15 members, so total you need 75 members. And since the number of biologists, geologists, and explorers are equal, so you can say 25, 25, 25 people will come from each skill set. So it means in this question, we can make a table like this. We can take team A. We can take team B, C, D, and E. And we have to find out how many biologists, geologists, and explorers are there in each team. So I have made a simple table where we will try to capture all the information that has been given, and maybe based on whatever is given, we'll try to figure out what we have to calculate. So let's look at the following additional information. Every team has at least two members from each of the three skill set. It means all the values has to be either equal to 2 or greater than 2. You can't have 1 or 0 anywhere. Team C and D have 6 biologists each. So team C and D has 6 biologists each. And team A has 6 geologists. That's every team except A. So if आप A को छोड़ दो, in every other team, it has more biologists than explorers. So here, biologists will be more than explorer. Biologists are more than explorers. Biologists are more than explorers. Biologists are more than explorers. Now here it is other way around. Explorers are more than biologists. And the number of explorers in each team is distinct and decrease in order A, B, C, D, and E. So I think this number is distinct and decreasing. It means this is the highest possible value, then next lowest, lowest, lowest. So that is how we have to put the values. Great. So, and total sum has to be 25, 25, and 25. All right. So here in every team we need since 15 members. You can clearly say that biologist plus explorer in team A has to be 9. So what are the combination that are possible? Possibly, and one more thing, explorer is more than biologist. So what are those scenarios? Like you can have explorer and biologist 2, 7, maybe 3 or 6, maybe 4 and 5. This is a scenario that we have to take. But suppose if you take number of explorer to 5, and further in team B, C, D, and D, number of explorers are going to decrease. So this total will never reach to 25 because maximum possible value is 5. Then to make a summation of 25, you need all these values to be 5, and that is not possible. So this case is gone. Now if you take 6, even if I take 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, that is the maximum possible value that can happen because you have to go in decreasing order. So now this sum is 11, 15, 3, 18, 20. So it means this case is also gone. So we are left with only one case, that is this is 2 and this 7. And if this value is 7, then think that these number number of explorer in every team is going to be in decreasing order. So if maximum possible value is 10, then let's try to see. If this case gets justified, then we'll take this case. Otherwise, we will try to modify a little bit. So if you add these 5 value, it comes to 25. So you can't reduce any particular value further. So you can know that 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 are the explorer. So now for team C, you know how many geologists are there? 6, 5, 11, 4, 15. So I think this way we know now we know that every team biologists are more than explorers. So here this number can be maybe 7. Yeah, we have to take only 7. We can't take more than 7. Otherwise this number will become 1. Every number has to be at least 2. So 2. Here again, so now you can add it to 25. 7 to 9, 9 and 12 is 21. So this number will become 4. And similarly, if 4, 3, 7, this number will become 8. And you add it back, it should come to 25. 6 to 8 plus 4, 12, 8, 20. So I think that's it. So now based on this, you can answer the questions. Now since the question was in short math, so it was without option choice. So number of biologists in team E. So in team E, the number of biologists is 4. So for the first question, answer is going to be 4. Let's look at the second one. Each team take part in a tournament where each team plays against every other team exactly once. Now, again, this question using the concept of games and tournament. So if you have looked at my previous video, that where we discussed the IPMAT 2021 paper that was based on games and tournament, we discussed that if there are 8 teams and they are playing exactly one match with all other teams, the number of matches played would become 8C2, which is 8 into 7 by 2, that is 28. Then it says in a particular year, one team got suspended after playing 3 matches. Now, every team will get, since there are 8 teams, every team will get to play 7 matches. Now, the question says that after playing 3 matches due to a disciplinary issue, one team got suspended. So I think out of one particular team that was supposed to play 7 matches got suspended after playing 3 matches. इसका मतलब क्या है? Only it has played 3 matches and it could not get a chance to play 4 matches. So those 4 matches will get cancelled. The organizer decide to proceed nonetheless with the remaining matches. So remaining matches are going to take place as it is. Then the total number of matches that were played in the tournament. Had there been no disciplinary issue, the answer would have been 28. But since one team could only play 3 matches, so its 4 matches are relinquished. So you can say 28 minus 4. 24 will be the correct answer for this question. So for question number 2, you can take answer to be 24. Now in this set, concept of games and tournament has been used. Let's go to the next question of this set. The number of teams having more geologists than biologists. How many teams have more geologists than biologists? 1, 2. So I can say there are 2 teams, that is team number A and team number E, that is more geologists as compared to biologists. So my answer for this set is going to be 2. So I think this question utilized, one is a bit of number crunching ability where you have to arrange these numbers, and the second was a bit concept of games and tournament, that is to calculate number of matches. Let's move to the next set now. Okay, one more question is there. The median number of biologists across 5 teams. So median is, if you arrange them in ascending or descending order, the middle term. So middle term is going to be 6 because 2, 4, 6, 6, 7. If you arrange them 2, 4, 6, 6, 7, middle term will be the third term. So for question number 4, answer is B, 6.